Managing above-ground pool maintenance is a hassle. But with the Aiper Scuba L1, you can eliminate all the manual effort with the press of a button. This cordless robot is designed to scrub away and remove debris from your pool with its electric-powered roller brush and suction port. The package comes with all necessary accessories, making the unboxing less than 8 seconds. It's best to charge the device right when you get the product. All it takes is one-click activation, placing the product vertically into the pool, and then letting go until it sinks to the pool floor and begins its clean. Its 66 gallons per minute of suction power, combined with the bottom roller brush, helps to pick up dirt and debris. Equipped with anti-collision bumpers to prevent damage, the Scuba L1 is engineered for protection. It will also automatically change directions with seamless adaptation when approaching walls, which maximizes the cleaning coverage for your pool. After 130 minutes of operating, the cleaner will automatically park at the nearest wall for easy retrieval. Once retrieved, open up the top shelf and begin cleaning out the filters with a high-pressure water gun. Easy, convenient, and hassle-free. Aiper Scuba L1.